Hello, let us solve for a and b in this equation. A plus b is equal to 9, then ab is equal to 90. Solution. A plus b is equal to 9. Let us call this equation 1. Then ab is equal to 90. Let us call this equation 2. Now from equation 1, a plus b is equal to 9. Let us make b the subject of the formula. B is equal to 9 minus A. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, AB is equal to 90. Now let us substitute for B, which is 9 minus A. A bracket 9 minus A is equal to 90. Now let us open the bracket with this A. A multiplied by 9, this is 9A minus A multiplied by A square is equal to 90. Let us equate everything to 0. 9a minus a square minus 90 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. 9a divided by minus 1, this is minus 9a. Then minus a square divided by minus 1, this is plus a square, minus 90 divided by minus 1, this is plus 90 is equal to 0. Let us put this equation in standard form. A square minus 9a plus 90 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. A is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 9, c is equal to 90. A is equal to minus bracket minus 9 plus or minus square root of minus 9 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 90 all over 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to minus 9. This is 9 plus or minus square root of minus 9 square, that is 81 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 90, that is 360 all over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. A is equal to 9 plus or minus square root of 81 minus 360, that is minus 279 over 2. Then A is equal to 9 plus or minus square root of 279. Square root of minus 279 can be written as square root of 9 multiplied by 31 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. A is equal to 9 plus or minus square root of 9 is 3, square root of minus 1 is I, root 31 over 2. Therefore, A1 is equal to 9 plus 3I root 31 over 2, and A2 is equal to 9 minus 3I root 31 over 2. These are the values of A. We've gotten the values of A. Let us solve for B. To solve for B, From equation 3, b is equal to 9 minus a. Now b1 is equal to 9 minus a1 is 9 minus 9 plus 3i root 31 over 2, and b2 is equal to 9 minus 3i root 31 over 2. Then b1 is equal to, this is over 1. 1 into 2 times 9, that is 18. If we open the bracket with this negative, we have minus 9 minus 3i square root of 31 over 2. b1 is equal to 18 minus 9. This is 9 minus 3i square root of 31 over 2. This is the value of b1. Also, b2 is equal to, this is over 1. 1 into 2 times 9, 18 minus 9 plus 3i square root of 31 over 2. b2 is equal to 9 plus 3i square root of 31 over 2. Therefore, our final answer are a1, b1 is equal to 9 plus 3i square root of 31 over 2, 9 minus 3i square root of 31 over 2. Then a2, b2 is equal to 9 minus 3i square root of 31 over 2, 9 plus 3i square root of 31 over 2. These are the values of a1 and a2, and if you check, you will discover that you get the right answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Bye.